Look what I managed to source for this week. This was £30 off Facebook Marketplace, and they even delivered. They wanted rid of it so badly. So this has had an appraisal from my mum, who used to deal antiques and run antique fairs and antique centres throughout the 80s and the 90s, and she said it's a 1930s dresser, probably made out of pitch pine. She's looked at where the detailing of the shellac has been taken off over the years. Beautiful detailing on the cupboard doors for the locks, those sliding bars, just stunning. Somebody's had a go at painting it already on the inside of the cupboards, but nice panelling even, and a little bit of detailing on the inside of the cupboards. The hinges are in good condition. The back of the cupboard is not in too much of a disarray. Everything's working quite nicely. So yeah, not a bad piece all in all. Shellac finish, so it takes some sanding in order to get it back, or stripping, whatever you prefer. But as you look at the detailing on these, the bar pushes in between the handles, slides to one side, slides to the other, and then sits beautifully in the middle. It will be a nightmare to paint. Then you've got a cutlery drawer, but if I keep the sliding bars, which I really think I have to, I'm going to have to keep the detailing of the knobs for the hardware. I'm not a fan of doing that. Dovetail joints on the sides of the drawers, lovely. We've got all these like stud marks everywhere, which have been dowels that have been chopped off or filled, not quite sure. You can see them in the top of the dresser as well. It's like they've made a detail out of it. And then coming down the sides, they've actually raised them, which looks really cute, I think. So given the amount of detail that's on this piece, even the panelling down the sides, and then, you know, no water damage, it's been very well looked after for the last 100 years. So yeah, all in all, a great piece.